Introducing the Varietals collection, CALI's purest expression of natural hardwood elegance. In the world of winemaking, a varietal is a wine crafted from a single grape type. Similarly, these floors go beyond the traditional white oak, with each color celebrating a specific wood species, including ash, acacia, hickory, and maple. Planks are left unstained, allowing nature to play lead designer. A clear matte finish highlights the timber's natural colors and grains, with some styles featuring light wire brushing for extra texture. Some styles are also cured to draw out deeper tones in the wood. Beyond its natural good looks, Varietals is built for real life. Intended as a complement to CALI's top-selling barrel collection, planks feature a 2 mm thick hardwood veneer layered over a sustainable acacia core for boosted durability. This eco-friendly engineered design yields up to 4 times as much flooring from each tree. Protected by an aluminum oxide finish, Varietals floors resist scratches and are easy to clean, perfect for busy homes. And like all CALI floors, these are Floor Score certified and low VOC, safe for homes and families. Varietals planks are random length up to nearly 75 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and a ½ inch thick. Designed with versatile tongue and groove milling, these floors are made for nail or glue down installations and are backed by a 50-year residential warranty and a 15-year commercial warranty for quality you can trust for years to come. CALI, simply authentic.